World Mental Health Day 2021. This year's theme is Mental Health in an Unequal World. The overall objective of World Mental Health Day is to raise awareness of mental health issues around the world and to mobilize efforts in support of mental health. This day provides an opportunity for all stakeholders working on mental health issues to talk about their work and what more needs to be done to make mental health care a reality for people worldwide. The day is marked for global mental health education and awareness. The day is also celebrated to advocate against social stigma associated with mental health issues. The day was celebrated for the first time in 1992 at the initiative of the World Federation for Mental Health, a global mental health organization with members in more than 150 countries. Social stigma associated with mental health. Mental health problems are some of the most common health issues people are facing. However, the social stigma associated with it only makes the problem worse. The stigma disallows people to accept there is any problem which aggravates the situation. There is a total lack of awareness and sensitivity about the issue in our society. Due to the social stigma associated with mental health, many patients decline to visit a doctor for help. With no professional help, the patient can move towards taking extreme steps. Mental health in India. According to World Health Organization report, India is the most depressed country in the world. The report says between 1990 and 2017, 1 in 7 people from India have suffered mental illness such as depression, anxiety and other severe conditions. India also has a very low number of health professionals to deal with mental health issues. These challenges require governments as well as citizens' immediate attention. Theme 2021. The World Federation of Mental Health President Dr. Ingrid Daniel has announced the theme for World Mental Health Day 2021, which is Mental Health in an Unequal World. Mental health in an unequal world. There is no health without mental health. Mental health in an unequal world. This theme, chosen for 2021, will highlight that access to mental health services remains unequal, with between 75% to 95% of people with mental disorders in low and middle income countries unable to access mental health services at all, and access in high income countries is not much better. Lack of investment in mental health disproportionate to the overall health budget contributes to the mental health treatment gap. With mental health conditions, such inequalities have an impact on people's mental health. Mental health in an unequal world. This theme was chosen by a global vote including World Federation of Mental Health members, stakeholders and supporters because the world is increasingly polarized, with the very wealthy becoming wealthier and the number of people living in poverty still far too high. 2020 highlighted inequalities due to race and ethnicity, sexual orientation and gender identity, and the lack of respect for human rights in many countries, including for people living with mental health conditions. Such inequalities have an impact on people's mental health. COVID-19 and mental health. COVID-19 pandemic has adversely and disproportionately impacted people suffering from mental health issues. Social and economic changes caused by the pandemic, along with the traditional difficulties regarding treatment access and adherence, had worsened during this period, also aggravated their condition. COVID-19 pandemic has further highlighted the effects of inequality on health outcomes, and no nation, however rich, has been fully prepared for this. The pandemic has and will continue to affect people of all ages in many ways through infection and illness, sometimes resulting in death, bringing bereavement to surviving family members, through the economic impact with job losses and continued job insecurity, and with the physical distancing that can lead to social isolation. We need to act and act urgently. The 2021 World Mental Health Day campaign, Mental Health in an Unequal World, will enable us to focus on the issues that perpetuate the mental health inequality locally and globally. The 2021 World Mental Health Day campaign provides an opportunity for us to come together and act together to highlight how inequality can be addressed to ensure people are able to enjoy good mental health. These are some of the tips to maintain positive mental health. Spend time with friends, loved ones, and people you trust. Talk about or express your feelings regularly. Reduce alcohol consumption. Avoid illicit drug use. Keep active and eat well. Develop new skills and challenge your capabilities. Relax and enjoy your hobbies. Set realistic goals. Take time out. Get enough sleep. Thank you for patient listening. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.